Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be making a Scratch game in 1 hour. Also, just like a disclaimer, this game isn't meant to be good. I just wanted to get back into Scratch because I haven't done it in so long. And I'm like low-key rusty. So yeah, with that, let's get right into it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I really want to make like a bullet hell kind of game for this. That's our player. I know it looks weird right now, but trust the process. Okay. Okay, so that's our walk animation. I don't know. It looks weird, but let's go ahead. Okay, so that's the movement code. Actually this is like this looks so weird. Okay, wait. So now bro is like walking. But okay, this looks like mad goofy right now. But okay, I think we should make the player move a little slower. Okay. Now I want to add a dash mechanic because yeah. Okay, so this is like a dash kind of thing. Alright, actually wait, this is kind of nice. Okay. So that's our dash. I'm gonna hide these variables real quick. Okay, now let's make gun. Let's go and make gun. And then I made the gun, made the code for it, and it worked pretty well actually. So player and gun. Okay. Low key the gun's color is like weird, so let's go change that. Okay, so now we got the gun working. I don't know why I wouldn't like delete the clone, but okay, that's whatever. Yeah. So now enemy time. Just gonna duplicate this, call it enemy, and like make it red, cause enemy bad. And then I coded some basic enemy spawning. And this took me like 10 minutes because I forgot where all the blocks were. Okay, so I have this basic thing going where enemies can spawn gun, bullet, yeah, I mean it's pretty good. Oh, what happened there? Yeah, okay, and then every 10 seconds the enemies will get faster, but I need them to spawn faster too. Okay, and then I added a health bar and some other basic changes. Okay, so now we have a health bar and boom, we can take damage. And also, the player does like this little flash animation. Oh, okay. But the player does like this flash animation when they get hit. I don't know why that's doing that. Uno momento. Okay, and at this point, I low-key stopped talking because I was like locked in. But basically, I started working on sound effects and just found a bunch of sound effects from Scratch's library. And then I made a game over screen, which looks pretty questionable. And then I decided to create a new spawning system that was like the enemies would spawn at different sizes, and like based on their size they would have different health and speed. Okay, so zombies now spawn at like different sizes and speeds, and like depending on their size they have speed and health. I don't know why these animations are broken. What? This looks so goofy. Okay, yeah, and then it'll get faster and faster until yeah. And then with a few minutes left, I made some final changes, and that was it. Alright, and with that, this is the 1 hour game. Yeah, it's kind of bad, but click the play button. You got music, everything. You can shoot. There's enemies, different sizes. Yeah. Okay, these are still broken. I don't know why. But and then it gets faster and like faster. Okay, and then you die. Okay, so pretty questionable game, considering I spent an hour of my life on that, but it was a good way for me to get back into Scratch. And yeah, and that was basically it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.